I am going to about linear gradient in Swiftui. Today I am going to about linear gradient in Swiftui. What is linear gradient? The gradient applies the color function along an axis. The gradient applies the color function along an axis as defined by its start end point. As defined its start end point, the gradient maps the unit space point into the bounding rectangle of its shape filled with the gradient. Its shape filled with the gradient. So the gradient maps the unit space points into the bounding rectangle of its shape filled with the gradient. So first of all, then we are going to create a state property that bind on text field. State at the rate state private var is user name, type of string equal to default value is empty. So now we are going to create a linear gradient property var lg, short form, type of linear gradient equal to linear gradient color dot red, color dot blue, gradient array of color. Assign the value of array of color. So what is gradient? Gradient applies the color function along an axis as defined by its start end point. The gradient maps the unit space point into the bounding rectangle of its shape filled with the gradient. So start point, assign the value of display. Start point, top leading, and end point, start point, color start, and end point, bottom trailing. So assign the color of array, color dot pink, color dot purple, color dot yellow, color dot red color. So first of all, then we are going to create a body view and body view inner, create a v stack, and now we are going to create text. Sorry, we are going to create a space of top. So now we are going to create a text. Then we will apply the font on the text. Then we apply the font weight on the text. Then we apply the foreground color on the text. So our text is complete. Then we are going to create a spacer. Then we apply the frame on the spacer, dot frame, assign the height 30. Then we are going to create a text. Assign the value, please enter. Please enter here. Please write here. So text, then we'll apply the last title on the text, then apply the signboard weight on the text, then we apply the colored green on the text. So first of all, then we are going to create a spacer, copy of a spacer and paste. Now we are going to create a text field. Bind on text field $username. Our property is state property. So text field, then we will apply the padding on the text field. The padding on the text field dot capsule shape dot fill, then apply the fill color dot black. So our template is complete. We can run. Then we are going to create a space of bottom. Wish tag. Then we will apply the padding on the wish tag. So good template. Wish tag alignment is left. It is left. Then we will apply the background color on the wish tag. Background color on the wish tag, our choice is color is linear gradient, assign the LG. So beautiful color of LG linear gradient of all skin fill is ignoring. Then we will apply the ignoring safe area. Ignore safe area dot all. Okay, good. So first color is red, color red, blue, pink, fill on the screen. So bind on the text our state property of username. So our template is complete. We can run. Please enter here. Hello everyone. Oh good, sorry, color is text is red, so black. No. Hello sir, good morning. So linear gradient. What is linear gradient? The gradient applies the color function along an axis as defined by its start and end point. The gradient maps the unit space point into the bounding rectangle of each shape filled with the gradient.